going towards the video, I would like to ask you to read this disclaimer. Pause for a second. Okay, if you read it, then move forward. Okay, guys, before going towards this video, I would like to tell you that I'm gonna long on JBP JPY here, and there was a very strong bearish trend. So basically, I'm trading against the trend, and let's see what happened. So I'm buying here too many lots is my lot size. It is according to my account balance, so only too many lots, and if you could see, my balance is $1,487. So let's start, my dear. I have buy. I'm on long on JBP JPY. So have you seen this? I've just set my stop loss just below this candle, and I will set my TP just here. And it is $26 profit and $16 loss. If price doesn't go towards my direction, then I will lose $16. But if it goes towards my direction, then I will earn $26. So basically, it is $16 to $26 risk to reward. But if price does go in my favor, then obviously I will reduce my stop loss or move my stop loss. So let's see what happens. So price will reverse. It seems that price has just reached to my SL, so most probably it will hit my SL. So no issue. So in this case, I will lose $16, but it doesn't. Price reverse without hitting my SL. So if it moves above this small resistance, then I will shift my stop loss up to my entry. So let's see if I get the opportunity or not. So price is going towards up direction. But in meanwhile, if you notice that I have shifted my TP from here to here, because analysis tells me that it reverses from here. So if price does reverse from here, so it should reach here, and I have no idea what will happen, but there is a high probability that price will reach here. So therefore, I have shifted my TP from here to here, and of course, if price go up, I will manage my risk. So price is moving up. So I am at the same time I'm. If you have noticed that once this candle goes up, I move my SL from here to here, but after closing this candle, I move my SL above my entry. So no, it is a risk-free trade. It doesn't matter on which direction it goes, but I'm not gonna lose a single penny. In fact, I will make $2 if it reverses. So let's start from here. So okay, so price has reached here where I have set my TP before. So as I mentioned, it could be a reversal point. It could be because there is a very strong bearish trend. So I will close half of my position here. So thus I will book $15 profit, and my SL is already above my entry point. So in any case, in any case, if price goes up or down, but I have already booked $15 profit from this trade, so I'm gonna stop half of my position here. First I will change it 01, because I have too many large notes. So okay, I have changed my half position. I have closed my half of my position. So thus I have booked $15. So again I'm pausing the video. As you could see, the price has reversed from that entry where I have closed my half of my position. But no problem. I have already booked $15 from this trade. So it doesn't matter if it hits my SL, so there is no loss. In fact, I have already booked $15, so it is absolutely free trade. So it seems that my predictions is not correct, so price is reversing from here. See, again I'm pausing the video. If you have noticed that I have just stopped out by the margin, by luck you could say that, and price went back towards the direction which I predicted. So basically this is how the big player plays. It is a clear evidence. This is how they manipulate the market, and this is how they hunt stop losses. So it is a clear scenario of stop loss hunting, as there was a very strong bearish trend here. So most probably these seller will stopped out from here, and they will not get the opportunity. The move is so fast, so these traders didn't get the opportunity to even close their position, so they all are stopped out. This is how the market maker big boys plays, or big banks plays with the people. So therefore always manage your risk. In my case, I have already booked $15 profits, and if you could see, my starting balance was 1487, or it is 1504. So in fact I have made $17. Okay, but I have just stopped out by margin. So therefore always manage my risk. So I will start the video. Oh dear, have you seen that? See, these peoples have stopped out by the big banks, big boys, whatever you call them, market maker, you name them. They are curse for our retail traders. But this is how the game is being played, and this is how you have to be smart. There's no need to be greedy. Just manage your risk. Such moves keep happening time to time in market where people get stopped out. And if they are wise enough, they must have closed their position. But if they haven't, then they are all stopped out. So thank you guys. See you next time. Take care. Have a nice time.